everybody, and let's learn Bisaya, Tagalog, English. Welcome again to my channel. Let's learn vocabulary words with meaning and sentence. So first vocabulary word is embarrassed. Okay, embarrassed has the same or almost the same meaning as altered, disappointed, ashamed, indefinite. The correct answer and the meaning is ashamed. Embarrassed in Bisaya is naulaw. Embarrassed in Tagalog is nahihiya. And embarrassed means ashamed in Bisaya, naulaw or naulawan. In Tagalog, nahihiya or napahiya. And the sample sentences in English: she was clearly embarrassed. Again, in English, she was clearly embarrassed. And in Bisaya, klaro nga naulaw siya. Again, klaro nga naulaw siya. Tagalog, halatang nahihiya siya. Ashamed, naulaw, napahiya. And here's our English sample. I'm ashamed to admit that I lied to you. In Bisaya, maulaw ko mo angkon nga na makakunimo. In Tagalog, nahihiya akong aminin na nagsinungaling ako sa'yo. Ashamed, naulawan, napahiya. And now let's find out what is altered. Altered is change. In Cebuano, giusab or mausab. In English, binago or baguhin. Disappointed. What is disappointed? Disappointed is very upset. Mapalaw in Bisaya, in Tagalog is bigo or nabigo. Indefinite is unclear. Indefinite in Bisaya is walay klaro. In Tagalog is hindi sigurado, walang katiyakan. Just like your relationship status remains indefinite. Walay klaro, hindi pa kayo sure. Parang walang level ang relationship, parang ganon. So, sample sentences to be continued. So, see you again sa aking next video, and thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe na rin sa aking YouTube channel. See you again!